Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I have a combined haul video for you, and the items are related both to St. Patrick's Day and to Easter Day, and I've shopped at 99¢ only store. So let's start. For the St. Patrick's Day is gone by for this year. I'm gonna keep these items for my next year's St. Patrick's Day because they are very important items, like these napkins and the plates, plus the glasses. I saw these ones at the Baking Diva. She was using it once in one of her videos. I said I'm gonna find these glasses and buy them. Well, I've put aside the St. Patrick's Day items. Now let's go continue with the Easter items. So this one is the pack of colorful Easter eggs, shiny ones. I already used them in the $5 Goodwill challenge video. I will put the link below, so in case you decide to check, because I had bought 2 packs and I already used the first one. Then I got these eggs on the sticks, and I'm gonna do another DIY with this. Hopefully, if I manage to share it with you this year, then I will upload it before the Easter time. If no, then maybe next year. Then I have found this in my Easter bag and decided to show it to you. This is a sunlight operated flower that is kind of shaking its head. And then let's continue with these bouquets. Flower plus egg plus bunny. I got these 3 bouquets to do a DIY. This is another egg and pink bunny here with purple flowers. Then I have 2 more bouquets, daffodils and another type of egg here. And this was my last bouquet that I found, very cute flowers. This nice blanket, which is yellow color, I will use this for pillowcases, and another DIY which I'm gonna do with my flowers. And these are just colorful wires from Momentum brands. Then I found this shiny blinky one, this sequence ribbon, again for 99¢. Then I found this one, found this pink one, this ribbon, and this one for the Easter. And my feather, so I'm going to use this for making chicks. Hopefully you can subscribe to my channel if you are new, in case you want to see what I'm making from this type of things, like feathers and all kinds of ribbons and flowers. I have too many ideas to share. Let's continue with the last 3 items before I can say bye-bye to you. This is just a headband, and I'm going to use it while doing my fitness exercises. So this one is Effortless Beauty. This was supposed to go to my fitness related items haul, but I missed it. I bought it right the next day after recording that. I found these straws, a pack of Happy Party plastic straws with spoons. I have a special idea for this, for a DIY. So henna to color. This book is, look at the pictures. What kind of amazing pictures are these? Really nice. For 99¢ only. You can do so many projects with this. Okay, I hope you like my today's haul. Put your thumbs up and subscribe in case you like hauls, DIYs, cooking and baking recipes and vlogs. Thanks for staying with me till this moment, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.